And I'm tired of reasoning. Just want to break out, shake off this skin. I can't escape myself. All my problems loom larger than life. I can't swallow another slice. Seems like my shadow marks every stride. Can I learn to live with what's trapped inside? I can't escape myself.